What's up, YouTube? I'm back with the 240 again. Tonight we're gonna be going to see if we can get any runs. It's a 240 like always, same mode. Nothing has really changed. P2 gauge has been installed. That's a new thing. Mods wise for the turbo, same thing. Nothing really new. Same setup, same turbo. The manifold, I think I showed that last video. So we'll get to it. Alright, here we go. We're gonna do like an E40 pool. We'll see how it does. Felt pretty good. Yeah, we spun a little, but I don't know how much PSI it was, honestly. But it felt good. Alright guys, we got to run. I'm gonna go race this single turbo top mount Supra and 240. So we're gonna see. He said he's around E20 right now, so I don't know how much power he's making. He said 25 PSI, so we'll see how we do. Alright guys, now we're gonna race the RS4. And then there's a mix around 700. So we'll see how this one goes. It's 50 roll. We're gonna be a 50 roll. So the last run was a 60 roll. So actually I do better off a 50, so I mean better for me. Yeah. That was pretty nice. Alright, I think we're done, right? Does he want to do more? Nope.
I don't think so.
That's funny. That concludes our night. it was pretty fun. We did get some good runs. And yeah, till next time.